I wish I hadn't ever started smoking. I just got this recently. It's called the AirPhysio.
Internationally award-winning AirPhysio.
You inhale through your nose and then you blow out into the AirPhysio.
AirPhysio is a simple yet thorough lung training tool that helps force mucus and debris out of airways.
Day one. I coughed up basically the biggest, most disgusting loogie I have ever coughed up in my entire life. It was more than yesterday. The first day I was using my watch, I could basically do about 5 minutes. And today, 15. I feel great. Full breaths in and out. I won't show that to you. It's a big one. All right, check this out. I feel great. Like I can actually breathe.
I have to tell you, I have asthma and I was diagnosed with COPD about 7 months ago. I've had pneumonia 2 to 3 times a year for many years now, and AirPhysio, it works like magic.
If you have any difficulty breathing for whatever reason, you have to try the AirPhysio. It changed my life. I am not joking. Seriously, it changed my life and it will change your life too.